Right, hello everybody. So I haven't been around much. I've been very busy. Been doing this craft fair, and I've been doing other things, and like doctors, dentists, and different things going on. So yeah, I've been running here, there, and everywhere. Anyway, I'm just going to have a run through of the new kits that I haven't managed to do a video on. There's about 4, I think. Okay, this is the Dandelions, Bees and Rabbits / Hares. I just put these together. I'm most probably going to be making a journal out of this after I've finished my shabby chic one, which is still going on. Yeah, I've done the pages, you know, uncheck the box when you print these so that they come in a bit, because I've done this bit a little bit narrower because that's what I prefer when I make a journal. So but you can still print it full scat, but you might lose a bit, I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's there. I love these so much because I love nature and everything. So so this one's on Etsy, the rest are all on my Ko-fi. So okay, and these are the sort of backgrounds, you know, to make your envelopes with different things. So those, and another one, these on. Okay, some jumbo, but don't forget you can shrink these down. Jumbo tickets with some like just sort of fairly large stamps, if you know what I mean. But again, if you shrink them down, they'll be good for stamps. Then I've done a bonus page of bookmarks. Because I actually done these, I've actually made the bookmarks, so I thought, well, I'll put them in for you as a little extra. These are all the right way. Right. And coin envelope. A couple of envelopes. Pockets and that. Journaling cards. All there. Then some tags, done a different shape because I'm one of these people that do get bored doing exactly the same thing. So I thought, oh, I'll do a different shape, and you cut around that and put your hole in the middle just for something different than this one. And if, you know, you can always make tags out of the other ones anyway, out of the other pages. So there we go. That's that one. Right, so I'm going to try and keep them separate because I'm getting really muddled. What I'll do, I'll do this freebie. This coordinates with last month's freebie, so that you could get quite a nice journal out of it. Yeah. Don't forget, mine's printed on a laser, so it's sometimes the colours are quite a bit more intense than what I get from my inkjet, but I like the inkjet one, you know. I actually do, because it's sort of a bit more faded, so I really like it. Some tags, some like toppers, and then one of the background sheets, and I put sort of bees on that one. And then there's one that's sort of plainish, so couple of envelopes, and these will coordinate beautifully with the last month's, and a few backgrounds because I thought I didn't do any of that in the other one. So there's 10 sheets in this one, and this is a freebie, so that one's quite plain. Okay, then I done one and added some of this here, so a little bit different. And then there's the sort of collage black background. That's that one. So that's May. Then in April, yeah, I'll do this one first. This is a Ko-fi one. This is some sort of grungy postcards and everything with floral themes. Again, this is in the budget section. I think it's just over £1, I think. And you get, I think it's 10 sheets, something like that. So some are shrunk down, of course. So I thought these are printing. there. So I'm not sure if there's 10. I can't remember. So, but these are great, great toppers for different things. So those. And the large postcards, which were shrunk down on that one. Yeah, I did shrink them down. So, yeah. Yeah, and I think that is plain. So that is that one. Then I've done something totally different. There is a little taster, but this is more for mixed media work. Okay. Yeah, very bright, but I just loved it so much. And if I was doing sort of art journal and that, these will be brilliant, because you can cut the flowers out, you can utilize these. So I just, you know, I just added them again, just over £1. So there's a taster sheet, is you get 4. I think you get 4, yeah. That's free. And then you get 10 sheets of the other. Yeah, you know, they are bright, so beware. Not everybody's cup of tea, I know, but I like doing a lot of mixed media. So, and I think some of these will be brilliant cut out. And I also shrunk some down like 4 to a page, so I could take some of the flowers out as well. So that's your freebie. Okay. Just as a tester, because that is totally different to what I do. But, well, actually, no, I don't. I do quite a bit of it, but just that I do it sort of personally, privately, you know, because I love my art journaling. So, and flowers. This is the 10 sheets. So you could say, gosh, just, and again, they're not going to be so vivid as this on your inkjet. Yeah, a laser picks up quite, it gets quite intense, the colour. So look at all these little flowers you can cut out. And you imagine doing an art journal and popping, you know, a couple of these sort of pages through it. Gosh, that would brighten it up a lot, wouldn't it? Yeah. And this one, you know, I know it's all over, and yeah, that could be cut out, that one could be cut out, and these, but it's just the colours. I just love it so much. It's just now and again I need colour, you know, after doing sort of vintage, and I like this one with all the crazy lines everywhere. So I just think they make great things for great flowers and that, but I don't know, playing around with. And again, just over £1, so yeah, so you get a bargain. Okay, well, that's it. So, and thank you very much, everybody. I know a lot of you have already purchased and downloaded a lot of these things, so, and thank you very much. Okay, I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.